In this video, I will show you how to install plugin in Claude Code. So for this, here I open a project on Visual Studio Code, and now we'll just open the terminal and start a Claude session by this command. Okay, so let me trust this, and you can see this is my Claude interface. We'll open Claude Code conversation or terminal interface, and from here you will have to just provide a command that is / plugin, and if you press enter, here you can see, so right now you are using plugin, and here you can search any plugin. For example, you can search for Figma, then you can see Figma is available. If you want to get explore, here you can see there are a list of plugin. You can use your down arrow key to explore all of this. So this is skill creator, code simplifier, playwright, GitHub, code MD management, and you will see more arrow key, future dev, Vercel, TypeScript, Claude Code setup, and there are lots of plugin available. You can just explore it. So if you want to check installed plugin, here you can see you will have installed. You can just click here to see which plugin I am using right now. You can see code moderation plugin, code review plugin, front end design plugin. So I love this plugin. Then security guidance plugin is also added. If you want to explore marketplace, here you can see marketplace option. You can add marketplace from here. Here you will have add marketplace. You can just use your down arrow key to go to Claude plugin official channel, and here you can see 286 plugin available, and I just installed 4. If you press enter, now you can see all the official plugin is here. You can just browse all. So let me just go with browse all, and now here you can see all the official plugin is available. You can search for any plugin or use your down arrow key to get all official plugin from Claude plugin marketplace. Okay, see, so by following this way you can find any plugin you need. So for example, if you want to install a plugin, let me do it. For example, I need to get a plugin that is actually code simplifier. We will go to this plugin, and when you can see this is triggering the arrow, we will simply press enter, and now you can see, will you like to install it? So if you want to like, here you can see you will have to choose install for you, so user scope. So this is for your personal use. If you want to use it for this repository, that means this project repository, so all collaborators to this project will explore this plugin, and then here install for you and in this repository only. So if you just choose the first one, it will work globally on your computer. If you just choose the third one, it will work only for this repository or for this project directory. And let me install this for this local scope. You just enter, and now you can see installed. This plugin is installed here inside this settings.local.json. If you just explore here, you can see enabled plugin, and this plugin is available